First of all, what is NNHC? NNHC is a diet and nutrition therapy center. We established NNHC for you. Your body needs an ideal diet. Have a shower of well-being under our guidance. Eating too much and too few can have harmful effects on your body. We offer easy-to-follow diet plans, weight loss and gain, fertility diet, diabetes diet, thyroid diet, digestive issues, mental well-being, chronic fatigue, etc. One diet that could cure arthritis, fatigue, irritable bowel, reflux, chronic allergies, eczema, psoriasis, autoimmune disease, diabetes, heart disease, migraines, depression, attention deficit disorder, and occasionally even autism, and that it could help you lose weight quickly and easily. Now, let's see our services. So, we provides superfoods, dietitian services with superfoods. Now, let's see what we provides inside the superfoods. First is diet snacks. Second is herbal tea and green coffee. Third is breakfast items. Fourth is gluten-free atta. Fifth is multigrain atta. Sixth is natural drinks. Seventh is detox kit. Eighth is omega-3 seeds. Ninth is high fiber rich foods. Now, let's see what we provides inside the dietitian services. First is weight loss gain program. Second is cholesterol management program. Third is diabetes management program. Fourth is therapeutic programs in specific disorder. Fifth is polycystic ovarian disease syndrome. Sixth is program for specific needs, like pregnancy, etc. Now, let's see what we provides inside the dietitian services with superfoods. First is superfoods will be provided. Second is customized diet plan will be provided. Third is detox diet plan will be provided. Now, what's the client benefits? First is Door-to-doorstep services will be provided. Second is, daily basis diet plan will be provided. Third is, everyday dietitian will be in touch. Fourth is, exercise trainer will be provided. Fifth is, diet plans design according your likes or dislikes, traveling or in fast. Sixth is, we don't provide any types of supplements, or fat burn or. Only natural food will be provided. Seventh is, monthly food will be provided by us. Eighth is, meal making will be provided in our YouTube channel. We provide best diet service with customized food. Our food services encircles a large society of healthy and nutritious food. Some of them are listed here. First is, rice flakes. Rice flakes benefits are lactose-free, heart-healthy, and fat-free. They are a good source of 11 vital minerals, and vitamins including iron. POA, rice flakes are gluten-free. Second is, jowar. Jowar is a good source of protein, essential amino acids, potassium, iron, fiber, and vitamin B1. It also helps to lower cholesterol, and control sugar levels. Third is, wheat bran. Wheat bran include reduced cancer risk, lower cholesterol, weight regulation, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, and alleviation of constipation. Fourth is, ragi. Ragi has high protein content, and helps in weight loss. It has a higher rate of fiber compared to any other grain, or rice. Fifth is, red rice poa. Red rice poa, rich in dietary fiber, makes you feel full for longer, and helps maintain bowel health, lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugar levels, and helps in weight loss. Sixth is, quinoa. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein and one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, and various beneficial antioxidants. Seventh is, muesli. Muesli typically has less calories than most breakfast cereals. It's high in fiber, and whole grains, which regulate the digestive system, are filling and can aid in weight control. Eighth is, green coffee. Green coffee helps reduce weight quickly. Green coffee modulates glucose and fat metabolism. Green coffee is rich in chlorogenic acid. Ninth is, jamun. Jamun, black plum, fruit, and its leaves are good for diabetic patients. The fruit helps to convert starch into energy, and keep your blood sugar levels in check. 10th is, amla. Amla enhances food absorption, balances stomach acids, fortifies the liver, nourishes the brain and mental functioning, and supports the heart. Amla is an excellent source of vitamin C, hence it helps boost your immunity, metabolism and prevents viral and bacterial ailments, including cold and cough. 11th is, noni. Noni has traditionally been used for colds, flu, diabetes, anxiety, and high blood pressure, as well as for depression and anxiety. 12th is, psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is able to pass through your digestive system without being completely broken down or absorbed. Instead, it absorbs water and becomes a viscous compound that benefits constipation, diarrhea, blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol and weight loss. 13th is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is a nutrient-dense food, leading many to feel fuller faster and longer. This can help to reduce cravings. Drinking wheatgrass can boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Joloi helps in the production of insulin and enhances the capacity to burn glucose. It decreases the blood sugar level.
14th is sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds reduce hypertension, manage diabetes, boost bone health, and improve digestion, reduce inflammation. 15th is Kerala. Kerala is known as a blood purifier. It activates liver, and is highly beneficial for diabetes.